Good morning from High-Tech Trader. This is the Hobart Q2 refrigerator. This unit is in excellent condition. Here's your temperature reading. The overall outside dimensions, the unit stands 83 inches tall, 55 inches wide, and 34 inches deep. Just take a look at the inside. The interior dimensions is 59 inches tall, 51 inches wide, and 27 inches deep. This unit comes with 6 shelves. There's 4 inside, and we have 2 here on the side. The shelves measure 26 by 21 inches. Take a look at the ID tag. Here's your serial number. We have it stating it's a model Q2, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 11.2 amps. Refrigerant type is an R12. Let's take a real quick look at the rear of the unit. Here's your compressor. Okay, if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 609-518-9100. Thank you, High-Tech Trader.